back to another video, guys. So something different today. So Madam Glam are having a 2-day exclusive shopping event, which starts today. It'll be today when this video goes out, or tomorrow. It's on the 20th and the 21st of January only. So it's 50% off. So even things like, I don't know if any of you remember these. These are the sand gels, agate and terrazzo, that are normally only available to VIP members. Things like the pudding gels that are only available to VIP members. You've got access to them today as well in this shopping event. Huge 50% off as well, guys. I will leave my discount code on the screen, and there's a link as well. I will pin the link in my comments. I think my discount code is unpolished50 Jan. I'll leave it up on the screen, I don't know. So yeah, 20th and 21st of January only. And for this exclusive shopping event, Madam Glam has challenged us to do something other than nails using their products. And I've been racking my brains what to do. So I've decided I am going to. So I've got this. This is an oil burner. This was the 5th oil burner I bought last year. I keep smashing them. This was the 5th one I bought. So it's just a plain little oil burner. I've already put sellotape around the top because I'm going to paint a little pink ring around the top. But initially what I want to do with it is, can you see these stars? So obviously your candle goes in there. You put a candle in there. And these stars, the light shines through them beautifully. And I thought using one of my, or two of my reflective gels, you know, the gels that reflects the light, and just putting it on the inside of these stars, maybe not quite on the outside, but because they're quite thick, aren't they? I'm thinking of just putting it in them stars, and you'll just get little twinkles. I think that would be quite cool. And I just want to do just a pink, maybe a pink, I don't know, or purple, I don't know, just a colour around the top, possibly pink. But what I'm quickly going to do first, because I haven't done it, is I'm just going to give this a wipe over with some alcohol. I don't even know if the paint will stick to it actually. So I'm just going to give it a wipe over with some alcohol, just for any oils or waxy bits. Or I have actually already washed it and got all, because it had bits of wax in it, because I used this for my wax melts obviously. So I'm just double checking that there's no oils and stuff on it, guys. Right, so as you can see, I have already put sellotape. I should have used masking tape, but I haven't got any, around the top, just so that the line's even-ish. So I'm going to finish off doing that. Can you see there? I want it to kind of be as even as I can get it anyway. Right, so I think to do the stripe around the top, I'm going to use gel paint rather than a gel polish. One, because I haven't got this shade in a gel polish. And two, these are so opaque, these are. Oh, it's a beautiful colour. See, my bedroom is very, very pale pink, grey and white. I really don't want this too busy because I hate things. I like everything in my room to just be plain and simple and not too busy. So shall we give it a go? I'm just using this. This is just a really soft brush with it's quite straight, so I'm hoping I won't have to put sellotape around this rim. I'm hoping I can just paint around it and get some alcohol and wipe it. So let's just go for it, shall we? I'm going to use my palette as well because I don't want the brush too thick on my, the paint too thick on my brush. So can you see? Shall we just go for it? Right, that's that first layer done. I think it looks quite neat on the top, doesn't it? Right, so this is what I'm going to use to cure it, guys. This is just a little handheld lamp. So I'm going to put it on and I'm just going to go around the lamp with it like this. Oh shit. You don't want that near it. My gosh, I nearly wrecked it. Yeah, so let's get this cured. Right guys, that's it cured. This Madam Glam gel paint as well, you don't need to top coat it, it cures glossy, so that's a bonus. So should we get this peeled off and see what it's saying? Let me find it. Got a tiny little wrinkle there, can you see? But I'm not too worried about that. The rest of it's super smooth. And right, let's get it open. I can find it. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. There's a couple of little, can you see that little bit? But the rest of it I think is alright. That's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Just a cute little pink ring around it, can you see? Right, so now I'm just going to start adding some of this reflective gel to inside them stars. Look at this. How beautiful is that? I think I might use this one. This one's called Fancy Pants. And it is stunning. Ooh. So I'm going to get some of that on my palette. So I'm going to use my Madam Glam detail liner brush. And I am just going to start. I just want it on the inside of some of these stars. Like in there, can you see? I just want some of this in there. So when I put a candle in it, it's going to sparkle like hell. Right guys, I mean, I've not done much to it, but if I made it too busy, I'd end up binning it. I like my ornaments plain and simple, but what I've done, I've used a mixture actually. I ended up mixing them in the end because this is my favourite one, Fancy Pants, and I didn't want to waste it. So I ended up mixing it with Hardcore. Hardcore has got some like purpley red bits in it. It is stunning. This is more of a, like, I don't know, pinky silver. They're stunning. I am going to turn the flash on my phone and get a candle. I've no candles left, guys. I've had to use one of my Jelly Bellies. These are scented. Oh, they smell so nice. So that's going to go in there. I'm going to light it and put it in there. And we'll see what it looks like. So I've just left my ring light on, guys, because the candles, the flame on the candle's still very small. Look at this. Oh, I knew it was going to do that. This is exactly what I wanted. Look. Oh, how stunning is that, guys? Look. Oh, I think I'm going to have to do them all. I like the little pink ones as well. Look at these. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. Oh, that's so pretty. Turn that other light off. Oh, look, guys. Look at that reflection. How stunning is that? Once this candle gets bigger, I think, because the flame's really tiny at the minute, I think once that gets bigger, you'll see it a bit more, but oh, that's so pretty, isn't it? I love it. Very plain, very simple, but it just turns it from an oil burner, it turns it into an Aggie oil burner, doesn't it? Oh, and it smells like sweets. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think, guys. What do you think I should do them all in the reflective? I do. I'm going to leave the pink ones as they are, but I think these ones that I've left blank, I'm going to do the reflectiveness on them, because that's beautiful. I'll take some pictures of it where it belongs on my windowsill and show you. I love it. I love the little pink rim around there. Let me show you. I didn't get it very even, but it just adds a little bit of something, doesn't it? I love it. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. So the sale is on 20th and 21st of January. 50% off. You've even got access to products that's normally only available to VIP. My discount code and link to the website will be in the description box. But yeah, take full advantage of that, guys. But yeah, I'm going. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.